Hello and welcome to Butler-HQ, and today we're doing another review, but this time we'll be reviewing Dad's Christmas present, or one of them anyway. So if that might interest you, stick around and we're going to be reviewing the Pukar Designs number plate, task disc and dealer sticker. So if that might interest you, like I said before, stick around because we're going to be looking at the quality, the make and just having a look. So stick around. We're alright for a review bench and I'll be showing you how to open it. Just I'm going to say I have opened this previous to this video just to make sure if it was in there and all that. I have not messed around with anything apart from that just to check, but if it was sent in my order. It gets sent out in this, I'll call it a number plate package. It's bubbly, quite padded. I think it's got bubble wrap inside to keep what you're ordering safe. Then I'm going to slide this over here so you can see. Fold it over. And first we're going to look at a number plate. This is the period number plate for the Golden Nugget. And on the back, you can see there. Looks like these are period correct. Number plates. I'll just put them over there. Then in this we have the rear window sticker, dealer sticker. Now if you can see it. Again, I think it's period correct. And we've got the period correct task disc holder. I know in the UK we don't have task disc now. I'm aware of that, but we wanted a car where it's all painted to look OE pretty much. So I went with these. I'm going to go back to the dealer sticker so you can, just to make sure it shows up. Which shows better on that side, look. We'll try it with a task disc. Yeah. And that is my little review of the Pukar Design task disc rear view window sticker and the registration number plate. I am happy with the registration plates, I must admit. They do look lovely. Really happy with these, and extremely happy with the task disc holder, even though we don't have task disc in Britain anymore. It's still a nice touch. And the rear window sticker. So that was my short little review, unboxing of the Pukar Design task disc, registration number plate and dealer sticker for the back window. And overall I'm really happy with the products and the customer service. I was back and forth with him for over a week, made sure it was alright. He told me when we sent him out he gave me the tracking number, and he told me as soon as he sent them out, and he got it the next day. So I'm really happy with the service and the products when they arrived, and it saved Christmas a little bit because that was my dad's main presents. So if you did like this review, please like, subscribe and comment. And until next time, bye bye.